Give me some. No. Please. I'm gonna have to change this chocolate. Koya? What? What's happening? It hurts. It hurts. No, it hurts. It hurts. Are you okay? No, it hurts. It hurts. Oh, I can't help. Oh, my ear. Oh, it hurts. Please come here. What? It hurts. Wait, it hurts. Wait. Oh, it hurts. No, it hurts. What should I do? Oh, I have. It hurts. Didn't work. Okay, I'm gonna use this. It hurts. There is something that I can help him. I came up with a great idea. What? It hurts. This is working. Well done. I think it's gonna work. I took it. What a relief. Be careful. Hi. Take care. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you for calling a doctor. Which one you want? Red one. Then here you go. Thanks. Nemi and me.
KIDSLINE!まだかな
Why? That's too fast! No, I don't think so. Do you have a driver's license? This is a child car, so I don't need it. I'm gonna check it out. Who is this? I haven't seen her until now. I have no idea. When the little kids are with you, you gotta fasten their seatbelt. I don't know how though. Today it's okay. Only today. Now it's perfect. Be careful about speed and drive safely. Bye-bye. Bye. I don't know who she is.
KIDSLINE!
Nemi? Where are you? She's not here? Maybe she's not here or what? Nemi? Where are you? Look! Finally, I found you! I'm so happy. What is that? Or something there? What? What is there? Nemi's slipper. What? Nemi's slipper. There is something under the bed. Yes, maybe I should give them something. First, maybe I will give an apple. Monster, come here. Monster. What? There's something. I have to give something else. What should I give him? Next, I will give him a pizza. Yummy! Monster, it's pizza. Eat it. He's eating. Oh, he ate it all. Wow. Now I should give him another thing. Next is noodles. It smells really good. Monster, now it's noodles. Eat it. Look, he's eating. He ate it all. Now I will bring some sweets. Now I will give him some popcorns. Here you are, Monster. You can eat it. Wow. I want it some. I want it some. Oh my god, he ate it all. Okay, I will catch the monster. He ate it all. Okay, I will keep my sister's room safe. Okay, Monster, where are you? Monster, where are you? Give me the brush back. Give me the brush back. What? He ate the brush. I can't. I'm so tired. I can't. What? I thought it was a monster. What? It was you? I thought it was a monster. I'm so relieved. What? There's something there. What? Nemi! Hi! I ate many delicious food. I'm so happy. I slept tight. What? It was all the time you? It was so yummy. Thank you. I was so scared. Nemi. I'm sorry. Sorry. Nemi. Nemi, I will not forgive you. Nemi. Sorry, sorry, Ko. I'm so sorry, Ko. Nemi.